All right, guys, we got a 2010 Dodge Challenger V6. As you guys can see, it's a V6. Beautiful little blue color. Factory converter there, flex pipe, O2 sensors. 2¼ pipe into a Y pipe. Then it goes straight this way. 2¼ keeps going, and then we put an LCGP. There'll be a link in the description for it. Instead of the muffler, 2¼ continues, as you guys can see, all the way back. And then we did a rear resonator delete and put them a 4-inch black wall, black stainless steel tip roll right there, just to complete the look. There it is. There's the LCGP and the tip, muffler and resonator. Dodge Challenger LCGP and rear resonator delete. That's not bad at all. This sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 110. One more. Go ahead and back it out. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6 LCGP mids, rear delete, 5-inch tip. My beautiful blue, sexy blue color. I like it.